actress, producer, TV personality, politician, and so on and on and on. Next up, we have the very, very beautiful Miss Rashi Khanna, who's done numerous Telugu and Bollywood films like Farzi, Yodha, the Rudra series, and done around 35 films. Please put your hands together for the gorgeous, the lovely Miss Rashi Khanna. And next up, I don't have any write-up here. She needs no introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for really a personality in our midst who needs absolutely no introduction. Put your hands together for the lovely Tamanna Bhatia. And yes, last but not the least, the spine, the backbone of this project. We are honored to introduce Mr. Sundar C, the director of Aranmai 4, known for creating a significant film franchise. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. He's collaborated with some of the biggest superstars in the industry like Kamal Hassan, Ajit, and Rajnikant. Woo! With over 35 films to his credit in the South Indian cinema. Sundar C continues to make an indelible mark on the industry. Please put your hands together and welcome him with a huge round of applause. Warm welcome to all of you. Well, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप सारे एक साथ में स्टेज पर हैं और आप दोनों को मुझे एक छोटा सा स्टेप करके दिखाना होगा. ये तो हम सब यहाँ बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आई हैं वैसे. तो सबसे पहले मैं मिस्टर निकुंज एंड मिस्टर सुनील से एक सवाल पूछना चाहूँगी. I want you to know this is the 4th series. Any pressure? How was it? What was the overall experience? And what are your expectations?
Absolutely, there is no pressure at all. Okay, so we are honored and overwhelmed by the film which is being given by the Madam as well as Bhavija Studios, those who are making a foray into the distribution. And it is a very proud moment associating with the Bhavija Studios.
Lovely. Mr. Nikunj.
No, that's really true. Thank you. Thank you for Sundar sir, Khushbu ma'am and everybody for giving us this opportunity and this. Oh, okay. Thank you for everyone to give us this opportunity. And yes, we have been distributing films. We have been making films for a longest period of time, like last 30 years. And now it's a successful franchise. We are very amazed to be collaborating with this.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now Khushbu ji, wow, you have done so many things. How was your overall experience? आप time कहाँ से निकालती है? आपका day कैसे scheduled रहता है? हमें सब जानना है.
आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार. बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि इतने सालों बाद मुंबई में इस स्टेज पर हूँ. And I should say thank you to my husband for making a successful film. In fact, ये जो फ्रेंचाइजी है ये तो बिल्कुल पूरा क्रेडिट उन्हीं को जाना चाहिए. I am just the person who signs a check, and that's because I have a blind trust in him. And I think this is what how many film in our production? Yeah, this is probably a 20th film in our production house, Avni Cinemax. And fortunately, we have a success rate of 90% when it comes to the filmmaking. And again, the entire credit should go to him, क्योंकि वो जो भी कहते हैं ना कि the dirty job behind the screen वो सारा काम वो करते हैं. तो इस तरह के जो प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, शोज होते हैं, कैमरे के सामने होता है, तब मैं आती हूँ.
So better half ने आधा काम कर दिया है.
बेटर हाफ में से बेटर हाफ से भी ज़्यादा काम वो कर लेते हैं.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And my next question is to you, Rashi. You're always on a roll. Is this your first horror film?
Actually, I was a part of Aranmai 3, so this is my second horror film.
Okay. So how was your experience?
So मुझे हॉरर फिल्में देखना बहुत पसंद है और पहली बार मैंने अरनमनई 3 में देखा था कि हॉरर फिल्म कैसे बनती है. तो बहुत ही इतना मुश्किल नहीं है हॉरर फिल्म में एक्ट करना, लेकिन डायरेक्शन बहुत मुश्किल है. एंड आई थिंक द कैपनोवा शिप सुंदर सी सर इज़ अ मास्टर ऑफ दैट क्राफ्ट. ही नोज एग्जैक्टली वॉट ही वॉन्ट्स, हाउ ही वॉन्ट्स इट. एंड जितने भी आप स्केट्स देखते हो या जितने भी आप कॉमेडी देखते हो, बहुत सारे लोग कभी कभी कॉमेडी का ओवरबोर्ड कर देते हैं एक हॉरर फिल्म में, लेकिन आप देखेंगे इस फिल्म में स्पेसिफिकली बोथ आर अ स्ट्रेंथ. not one overpowers the other. So I feel it's a perfect horror comedy film. शायद इसीलिए इतने लोग आ रहे हैं देखने के लिए. और इसमें जो हॉरर एलिमेंट भी है ना, वो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप डर जाओगे या बिकॉज यू आर स्कैर्ड ऑफ हॉरर फिल्म्स यू कांट वॉच इट. यू कैन डेफिनेटली वॉच इट विद योर फैमिलीज. एंड बहुत सारे लोग अपने बच्चों के साथ ये फिल्म देखने आ रहे हैं. तमिलनाडु में स्पेसिफिकली मैंने सुना है कि
And coming to you, you're gorgeous. And how was your horror experience first to begin with?
पहले तो मैं सबको बता दूं कि ये सब जो चेन्नई से आए हैं, मैंने बहुत बोला है कि हमारी मीडिया ना बहुत कूल है और हम बहुत मस्ती करते हैं. हमारे प्रेस मीट्स बहुत फन होते हैं. तो आपको पहले ही बता देती हूँ दैट यू गाइस हैव टू आस्क वेरी फन क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज मैंने बहुत बिल्डअप दिया है दोनों को. बहुत मेरे अपने डायरेक्टर को बहुत बिल्डअप दिया है, खुशबू मैम को बहुत बिल्डअप दिया है कि हमें यहाँ पर तो बड़ा मजा आता है. आई लव प्रेस मीट्स बिकॉज the media is always so warm, welcoming. I have the most fun interacting with the media here and I'm so proud. Thank you for supporting a film that आज हम celebrate कर रहे हैं क्योंकि 100 करोड़ एक फिल्म का कमाना जो female led है with just a South Indian release. I think it is an achievement for us. It really makes us proud and makes us want to share this film with all of you. मैं आपको सबके बारे में थोड़ा थोड़ा बताना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस इतना खूबसूरत रहा है कि अगर मैं आपको इनके बारे में कुछ बताऊँ नहीं तो इट विल बी इनजस्टिस. सुंदर सी सर के साथ मैंने इसके पहले एक फिल्म में काम किया है. मेरे हिसाब से हमारे देश के टॉप 3 डायरेक्टर्स में से है जिनको फ्रॉम टेक्नोलॉजी टू इमोशन टू कमर्शियल फिल्म की सेंस है. एंड ये उन्होंने बार बार साउथ में प्रूव किया है और मैं बहुत खुशनसीब मानती हूँ अपने आप को कि उनके साथ काम करने का मुझे अपने करियर के अर्ली टाइम में शुरुआत में मुझे मौका मिला. ये फिल्म और उनके बारे में जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है कि हम फीमेल एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में बात करते हैं, हम बोलते हैं वी नीड टू मेक मोर फीमेल लेड फिल्म्स. बट मैंने इनको देखा है कि ये घर पे the kind of upliftment he's had with his girls. He has 2 wonderful girls. He has Khushbu ma'am. They are the perfect family that anyone aspires to have. And ये उनके सिर्फ फैमिली तक सीमित नहीं है. ये ऐसी स्टोरीज बताते हैं जो वो रिलेशनशिप्स को स्क्रीन पे दर्शाती है और आप कहीं ना कहीं अपनी स्टोरीज इन स्टोरीज में देख पाते हैं. एंड आई फील लाइक ही इज ट्रूली ये प्रतीक है एक्चुअली हाउ टू एम्पावर वुमेन. उसका एक्चुअल प्रतीक है क्योंकि ये सिर्फ घर पे ऐसे नहीं है लेकिन ये बाहर भी उसे बहुत ही प्राउडली एग्जिबिट करते हैं और अपनी फिल्मों में दर्शाते हैं. ये क्लियरली अरुणमणि का 4th पार्ट है और 4th पार्ट होने के नाते ये फिल्म ऑफ कोर्स पहले भी बहुत चली है. ये फ्रेंचाइज बहुत चली है इसीलिए चौथा पार्ट बना पाए हैं ये. सो आई रियली फील वेरी प्राउड कि मैं एक ऐसे फिल्म मेकर के साथ काम कर रही हूँ जिन्होंने हमारा काम इतना आसान कर दिया क्योंकि इन्होंने मुझे जो कैरेक्टर दिया है मुझे ऑनेस्टली नहीं लगा था मैं प्ले कर पाऊंगी क्योंकि मैं अपने घर में अभी भी बच्ची हूँ. I think I still no maternal instincts have kicked in, so I am treated like the baby in the house. And जब उन्होंने मुझे ये स्टोरी सुनाई और बताया कि you're playing a mother who's a protector and who is एक औरत का हर रूप दर्शाने का मौका दिया है इन्होंने इस फिल्म में. और ये मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल है क्योंकि मेरे पास आई फेल्ट इट्स टू प्योर एन इमोशन. मैं इसे कहीं और से नहीं ले सकती तो आई हैड टू टेक दिस इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम माई ओन मदर. एंड मैं घर पे बहुत ज़्यादा पैम्पर्ड हूँ, मुझे बहुत प्यार मिला है, अभी भी मिलता है, अभी भी मतलब इस उम्र में भी मुझे बच्चे जैसा ही ट्रीट किया जाता है. तो उस फीलिंग को लेके एक माँ कितना अपने बच्चे को कंफर्ट कर सकती है कितनी भी मुश्किल स्थिति में क्यों ना हो. और अगर वक्त आए जब उसे अपने बच्चों को प्रोटेक्ट करना पड़े तो वो किसी भी हद तक जा सकती है. ये इस फिल्म का एक्चुअली सोल है और ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मुझ पे डालने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सुंदर सी सर. बिकॉज अगर आपने मुझे इस रोल के लिए कंसिडर नहीं किया होता तो शायद ये फिल्म कोई और एक्ट्रेस कर रही होती और ये फिल्म जो भी एक्ट्रेस करती वो उसके लिए इट वुड बी अ फेदर इन हर कैप. सो आई फील वेरी लकी कि अरुणमणि 4 का ये किरदार जिसका नाम है सेल्वी, तमिल वर्जन में तो सेल्वी है, वो मुझे करने मिला. एंड खुशबू मैम शी इज द विंड बीनीथ सुंदर सी सर्स विंग्स. She's such a rock solid lady and I feel so good that I'm working with all these very rock solid people. To me, Rashi is one person who I actually find a lot of love and warmth whenever I meet her, and we've worked together before in a Telugu film. लेकिन I don't know, somehow एक प्रोफेशनल जैसा रिश्ता ही नहीं है. मैं बहुत पसंद करती हूँ राशि को, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही एक सिक्योर एक्ट्रेस हैं, बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्ट्रेस हैं. इस तरह का ठहराव शायद हमारे देश में कुछ एक्ट्रेसेस दे पाती हैं. मैंने देखा है फिल्मों में, स्पेशली जब कमर्शियल फिल्म्स होती हैं, there's a lot of हम एटलीस्ट साउथ इंडियन फिल्म में आई हैव नोटिस्ड बीइंग प्लेइंग बबली कैरेक्टर्स, but I've seen Rashi always bring so much subtlety, so much softness, so much realism to her characters. I'm a big fan of Rashi, but I'm a bigger fan of how amazing a person she is and how beautifully she, she is outside. So yeah, I'm so happy, Rashi, we could do this together. It's a very special film for the both of us, and yeah, this entire journey for me has been extremely rewarding, because अगर ये फिल्म आज साउथ में इसने अगर 100 करोड़ किया है, इट्स अ ह्यूज वैलिडेशन फॉर एक्टर्स, फीमेल एक्टर्स, कि अगली बार होपफुली फिल्म मेकर्स फीमेल लेड फिल्म्स पे ज़्यादा पैसा खर्चा करेंगे, अलग किस्म के स्टोरीज लेके आएंगे, अलग किस्म के किरदार लेके आएंगे. सो इट्स वेरी वैलिडेटिंग, और बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है कि ये फिल्म को प्यार मिल रहा है. और अब ये प्यार हम आपसे भी चाहते हैं, इसीलिए हम इस फिल्म को हिंदी में रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं, ताकि जो पूरा देश है इस फिल्म को सेलिब्रेट कर सके, जैसे साउथ इंडिया ऑलरेडी सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है. और मैं लोखंडवाला की रहने वाली हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैं यहाँ पर आके अपनी तमिल फिल्म सबके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ, जो हिंदी में रिलीज़ होने वाली है. अरणमणि 4 इज इन थिएटर्स फ्रॉम द 31st of which month are we in? Yes, that's how much I remember which month. 31st of May. Guys, please watch this film. It's super emotional. It is a horror comedy, and I think horror comedy that is filled with entertainment. I am so excited.
Hello.
और अगर आपने अभी मस्ती वाले सवाल नहीं पूछे तो मेरी आवाज़ कुछ ऐसी हो जाएगी, बिकॉज मैंने सच्ची में बहुत बिल्डअप किया है. तो प्लीज़ आपको कुछ पूछना है, जो मीडिया है यहाँ पर, जो होपफुली आज फिल्म देखने वाली है, आप आई होप आप फिल्म देखने वाले हैं, आज कल देखने वाले हैं, ठीक है. प्लीज़ अगर कुछ पूछना हो तो प्लीज़ पूछिए. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. जी.
So we're going to take it there. I'll announce the
एक
open
बार
forum.
सुंदर सी सर बात कर ले. सर जस्ट 2 minutes, सुंदर सी सर बात कर ले एक बार.
Before he speaks, I would like to say that whatever Tamanna has spoken, तो जितना उन्होंने हिंदी में बोला है वो सब एक सिक्सर बाउंसर की तरह गया होगा IPL में, लेकिन otherwise he's fine. मतलब in 30 years of a married life or together what we have been in 30 years, there was an understanding कि मैं उन्हें हिंदी सिखाऊंगी, वो मुझे तमिल सिखाएंगे. उन्होंने मुझे तमिल प्रॉपर्ली सिखा दी, लेकिन मैंने उनको हिंदी नहीं सिखाई. कोशिश की, लेकिन it was terrible. So then I gave up. So he is fine. He can still understand a bit, but most of it what you spoke, I'm sure it is gone.
उनको मेरा जो भाव है उनको वो महसूस,
इमोशन समझ गए,
वो समझ गए, बिकॉज इतना प्यार था उसमें.
Good afternoon, everybody. Normally, I'm very nervous when I'm on stage or holding a mic, and I'm more nervous now because this is the first time I'm being in front of Mumbai media, press, everybody. And excuse me if I make any mistakes in my language. Very nice to see you in my Alumni 4 function, because Alumni 1 was a big hit in South, and it was dubbed in Hindi as Raj Mahal, as you know. That movie did so well in OTT and satellite channels. After that, all the South Indian movies which are RR or comedy, they are dubbed in Hindi as Raj Mahal 2, 3, 4. Now the line is going on. So I have to wait for a Raj Mahal franchise number to get. At last, I'm getting my own title for the Hindi dubbed version. So happy. Actually, I was discussing with Tamanna. The main reason for the Alumni 4 success, one of the main reasons for the Alumni 4 success was when I was doing that movie. The movie was really, when the movie was ready for the release. Normally in the South, they'll have the pressure only after the release because they are scared whether the movie will carry good report or not. So always they will have the press meet after the release of the movie. And I had only one marketing strategy for my movie, that's Armani 4. I had the press show before the release of the movie. And the only one condition I put forth for my press and media friends down south was, they have to come with the family to the theatre for the press show. Because I arranged a big theatre with more than 1,200 capacity, and all the press and media friends come to the theatre with the total family. So when they saw the family laughing and enjoying the movie, automatically I got a very good reviews for the movie. And even before the release of the movie, my movie was declared a super hit success. So that's the power of media and press. So I hope you'll also support the movie tomorrow and help it in making it a big success. And to talk about Armani 4, all the 3 movies before I did in the Armani franchise are all super duper hits actually in the south. Even though the movies are super hit, I didn't do it the next franchise immediately. For the fourth franchise, I took nearly 12 years to make it the 4th movie, because I don't want to capitalize on the success or to make the money. Okay, immediately we'll take the Armani, one more Armani, we'll earn money like that. I never went like for that. I always waited for a nice script, nice idea to come. So then only I will touch the Armani franchise, because the expectation for Armani in the south was huge. So when I got an idea for this Armani, it will be a little, quite a longer story, please excuse me. Once I was going through some history books, I find it on funny thing.
Sorry.
Lot of kings who ruled India, someone like Ashoka or Akbar or Aurangzeb, who ruled most part of the Indias, their borders in the north, in the south and the west, it differs. Somebody went till Afghanistan, someone went till Pakistan, like that. Even in the south, they came till Hyderabad, someone came till Madurai. But in the eastern side, like a line, nobody crossed Brahmaputra, most of them, as per my knowledge, nobody crossed Brahmaputra. I was curious to find the reason, and historically there were a few reasons for that. There was a big dynasty, they were brave warriors, and a lot of guerrilla warfare was there. So these kings were unable to cross Brahmaputra. These are all historically. And geographically, they said another reason, after Brahmaputra there is a lot of forest, hills and a lot of rain. So the kings were unable to cross the border. And I felt there was, because they who were able to cross even the Himalaya borders, they won't find it difficult to cross the Brahmaputra. And also they won so many kings, warriors everywhere, all over India. I don't think they will be difficult for them to cross over the Brahmaputra and conquer them also. And when I was looking through it, there was another 4th reason for that, which was believed by some of the few segments of people there. That was the reason for the king not crossing the Brahmaputra river, it was out of fear of ghost. Because at that time, the land was called as land of possessed by some of the people over Brahmaputra. So the kings were scared to cross Brahmaputra because of the ghost fear. That was believed by some few people or segment of the people. And till today, there was a lot of folklore going upon the, telling about the stories of the ghosts there. There are a lot of characters. And one of the interesting folklore was about Bach. I was very curious to read, when I read about that Bach. The Bach, they say, it's something, the paranormal thing, lives near the river side, which will eat somebody who comes to the river side and take their shape, and they'll go and bring more people near the river, they'll kill them, take the shape, like that. The story goes on. But that particular character of Bach was very interesting for me. So I took that particular idea of Bach. What will happen? The Bach come alive and come to our south. What will happen? That's the basic line of the story. When I got this idea, I was so interested. Immediately I thought of doing that another franchise for Armani, and now I'm standing in front of you because of that one idea. And it got connected to all over the south. So that's the way Armani 4 started. There's a lot to talk to me. Lot to talk for me, but waiting for your questions. And thanks, Tamara and Rashi, for the nice words.
So I'd like to intervene here. We have 2 very, very important questions. In fact, you're playing the main lead. We'd like to know on that.
No, the reason is simple. Armani 4 have a very strong female characters. All the Armani four movies were very female centric and very powerful female characters. And finding, I find very hard to get a commercial hero for that movie. When the heroine character is so strong, the heroes always have a little lesson to do. What am I doing like that? So it's better I myself can act in that. So
Very
I'm
nice.
like
And sir, when do we see you directing a full-fledged Hindi movie?
the talks is going on for quite some time because the problem for me is language is the biggest problem for me. And my wife now told me I have to do a Hindi movie, otherwise there'll be some problems at home. So I'm in talks now.
I've been threatening him.
Actually threatening me.
So since you mentioned about the ladies here, we have 3 already on stage, and there's a saying that the tallest buildings have the strongest foundation, and the foundation is only possible with 4 pillars. So let me invite the 4th pillar on stage. Please put your hands together for Kundan Judge, one of the producers and distributors of the film, and the 4th pillar, of course. Can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Kundan, please, would you like to share your thoughts with us?
Thank you very much. I'm very, very humbled and overwhelmed to be here. And Sundar sir, welcome to Hindi. And सबसे पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे भूतों में विश्वास है कि नहीं. हम सबसे पूछते हैं कि आप भूत में विश्वास करते हो? ऐसी फिल्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करोगे, अगर आप खुद ही भूतों में विश्वास नहीं करते तो ऑडियंस क्यों आएगी भूत देखने के लिए? लेकिन 3 घंटे जब अरनमनई 4 स्क्रीन पे चल रही थी तो मुझे सच में ऐसा लगा कि भूत होते हैं और शायद बाघ होता होगा आसाम से, जिसको आप साउथ में ले आए और अब हम मुंबई में लेकर आ रहे हैं. अगर 100 करोड़ वर्ल्ड वाइड तेलुगु में, तमिल तेलुगु बोथ ओके, सो ओनली तमिल में एंड वर्ल्ड वाइड एक आसामी भूत धूम मचा सकता है, तो आई एम श्योर कि हिंदी ऑल्सो विल एक्सेप्ट द फिल्म विद ओपन आर्म्स. Karmic Films is very, very proud, very, very humble to be associated with all you beautiful stars. Paveja Studios, this is our first venture together, and we have superstars on board. I'm very, very, very grateful and blessed. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I announce the open forum. I request you all to, yes, the gentleman there.
Sundar, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Check. Hello. Yes. My connection.
Hello. Mr. Sundar, just now we saw a trailer, it was fantastic.
Thank you.
And since I was impressed by Tamanna Bhattia's performance very much. And she has appreciated all the artists' performance. So says some good things about Tamanna's performance.
Actually, the thing is, when I finish the script of the movie, I want a artist. That's the core of the movie. Actually, she should be very powerful in her performance. At the same time, audience should relate to her, and she should have a star value also. So we have to put together everything. The glamour should be there. That everybody knows that Tamanna is glamorous, everything. But performance oriented, I want to bring the other side of Tamanna because I know already we have worked in the movie. I know how talented she was. The movie before that we worked on some movie called Action. The title itself was Action, and we did some miraculous, great action sequence in Turkey, Azerbaijan, everywhere, and she did a fabulous job. Now I want to bring out the emotional and performance side of Tamanna. I think once you watch the movie, you'll understand. You can see it by yourself how talented she is. Because the other side of Tamanna, which before that I think nobody have seen in a lot of movies. It came out in Armani 4. And such a fantastic actor, such a dedicated, because a heroine to nearly survive for nearly 18 years, it's not an easy job. Only dedication, professionalism, everything will make her what she is now, made her what she is now. And Armani 4, I am very happy because in the South, nobody expected Tamanna to perform so well, to be frank. And it was a sweet surprise for everybody. And whoever comes out of the theatre after watching the movie, the first thing is they talk about is Tamanna's performance. So thanks Tamna for greeting me great, and I tortured her so much. It was, even though she's doing some emotional scenes, it was totally in the rope, lot of action sequences. She's carrying 2 kids in the rope, have to fly, dive, lot of things. Even after the death in the movie, she was having the rope scenes, everything. So difficult to perform with that difficult sequence. Tamna came out with flying colors, and thanks her for making my praise to Tamna to come out. Yeah.
थैंक यू सर आप प्लीज हर प्रेस मीट पे आइएगा मैं आपका मतलब मैं कांटेक्ट नंबर आपका ले लेती हूँ
ठीक है। एंड खुशबू जी, आपको देखकर बड़ी खुशी हुई। सुनील दत्त साहब के साथ आपकी फिल्म देखी थी हमने, आप बहुत मासूम चेहरा था उस टाइम भी, और आज भी आप वैसी लगती हैं।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
कुछ कहिए।
जैसे मैंने कहा कि बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मेरी शुरुआत यहीं से हुई है, पैदाइश परवरिश पूरी मुंबई से हुई है, सो मुंबईची मुलगी मी। बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट काम था तो चेन्नई गई, वहाँ पे बस मिल गए, वहीं पर अटक गई। तो एंड बस कहते हैं ना कि कुछ डिसीजंस ऐसे होते हैं कि वो एक भगवान की कृपा होती है, उनकी देन होती है। तो मैं ट्रूली समझती हूँ कि मेरी ज़िंदगी में मेरे बेटर हाफ सुंदर सर जो हैं वो एक भगवान की देन है, क्योंकि अगर वो ना होते तो शायद मैं यहाँ नहीं होती। क्योंकि कहते हैं कि कहा जाता है बिहाइंड एवरी सक्सेसफुल मैन देयर इज अ वुमन, बट आई ट्रूली बिलीव बिहाइंड एवरी सक्सेसफुल वुमन देयर इज अ मैन हु हैज़ अ बिगर हार्ट, एंड दैट इज़ डेफिनेटली माई हस्बैंड। तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि आज तक मैंने नहीं देखा ज़िंदगी में उन्होंने मुझसे कहा होगा कोई चीज़ ना करें। कहते हैं उनकी ओपिनियन होते हैं, लेकिन कहते हैं कि डिसीजन तुम्हारा होना चाहिए। एंड जहाँ तक फिल्म का सवाल है, हर वक्त जब मैं बॉम्बे आती हूँ कोई ना कोई पूछता है कि आप हिंदी में क्यों नहीं काम करती, आप इतने साल हिंदी में से क्यों दूर रही हैं। वहाँ पर काम था, फिर शादी, फिर इमीडिएट 2 बच्चे, और मैं बहुत ही हैंड्स ऑन मदर रही हूँ। तो 2 बेटियों को बड़ा करते करते काफ़ी वक्त लगा। बड़ी बेटी ये सितंबर में 24 साल की हो जाएगी और छोटी वाली 21 साल की है। तो बस फैमिली लाइफ में रही, अभी वक्त है, तो अभी शुरुआत होने वाली है, तो देखते हैं। बट बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पर एज अ प्रोड्यूसर आप सबके सामने यहाँ पर खड़ी हूँ, तो उसमें बहुत ही एक फ़ख्र महसूस होता है। अच्छा लगता है कि यहाँ से दूर रही लेकिन फिर भी एक कुछ अचीव करके, ज़िंदगी में कुछ हासिल करके एक मुकाम पर पहुँचकर आप सबके सामने आई हूँ, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग हियर।
Hi, my question is to all the women here. Hi, I'm from CNN News 18. I think this was a great week for all of us. Our women shone really bright at the Cannes. Now, your film, which is largely about women, there's, one woman helming it, 2 women headlining it, earning 100 crores, which is a great feat in itself. What do you have to say about this? What does this 2 achievements mean for women in cinema in terms of money, in terms of everything?
It means that women have arrived. It's high time people stop looking at women. I definitely do not appreciate when they say, every time a woman achieves, oh, she's shattering the glass ceiling. I said, why these terms are used only for women? It's because they do not expect women to do well. There's a basic mindset where they feel that women cannot do, there's something which holds them back. But I say you give them a platform to achieve, give them those wings to fly high, and women can do wonders. So what we see with Aranmanai 4, with of course Tamanna and Rashi, and we have a very brilliant actor called Kove Sarla. She's a character actor who has done a very major role in the film. I think these 3 women have really taken it forward, and I think all I say is stop looking at women with a very pre-assumed mindset that women cannot achieve. Just let them loose, give them that free hand. Like you never ask a man, he has achieved something, he's broken the glass ceiling. Nahi. So why those kind of phrases is only for women? Appreciate women. The equality has to start in your minds the minute you understand that women are absolutely equal to men, not physically, but when it come to terms with their professionalism or their talents. I think women are definitely a step ahead of men when it comes to talents. So just let them fly. Just let them go free and stop judging them. Even before you know them, most of the people around, they come with this judgment, a very opinionated and lot of judgments about a woman. So I think we need to stop being opinionated about them. We need to stop having our judgments about them and just let them be as they are, and you will see women will be flying high.
Tamanna, do you want to add? No, go ahead, Rashmi. Both of you, please. Yes.
I think it's a validation for all of us as female actors that we can hold a film on our shoulders and still deliver. For numbers are already speaking, and मैंने film देखी है, तो I can also say that it is a collaborative effort. More than me and Tamanna, also there are these wonderful comedians we have जिन्होंने बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम किया है इस पिक्चर में. तो I think it's always a collaborative effort, and I hope that the Aranmane series keeps going on and on. That's why I was telling sir, I said आपने बहुत, you want a lot of moolah and a lot of respect, and I feel that it keeps going on and on. Tamanna is also fabulous in the film. I've seen it and she's superb. I think for all the Tamanna fans, they should definitely watch this film for sure. Yeah, and all the horror genre fans should watch.
थैंक यू रुपेश